Hey traders, what is up? So on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to take profit in the market using the Fibonacci retracement tool. You guys understand that knowing when to get out of the trade is as important as knowing when to, when to secure some profit. Get out of the trade in the sense that when you're wrong, using the stop loss. I made a video about that already, talking about how to, sort of stop loss. So let's look at how to take profit in the market. So without further ado, I'm going to be sharing with you my screen. First thing first, you have to know the time frame which you are trading from. Normally you want to trade from the either daily, 4 hours or 1 hour or 15 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on you, depending on the kind of trader you are. So whatever time frame you trade, this actually works on all of it. This Fibonacci tool works on all time frames. All right, now so we're looking at the Bitcoin chart as an example still. Now you can see here that this market is currently in an uptrend. How do we know it's in an uptrend? You can see it's now going upwards, forming higher highs. Now at the end of the day, the market doesn't go in a straight line. So when you get that opportunity to enter the market, we personally try to use the pullback trading strategy, which is the complex pullback strategy. Now when you have that pullback happening, that's when best to use the Fibonacci tool to determine when is the market will be. Fibonacci tool itself is a mathematical instrument, so everything that around it is built based on maths. It works, and don't ask me why, it just works. I've been using it and it works, so I'm going to be sharing it here with you. Now when you want to bring it out on your trading view, you come to this point here where you have the tools which we'll be using. Now the first thing there is the Fibonacci retracement tool. We pick it up. Now we'll be using the body of the candle. So we plug it from the swing low all the way to the swing high here, which is the body of the candle. Now when this market start making this pullback here, combined with our complex pullback trading strategy, definitely you'll be looking for entries around this area. You can see clearly here that this market got rejected at the 61.80% level on the Fibonacci retracement tool, and since then we've been going upwards. Now where should we be looking at leaving this market with our complex trading pullback strategy? Definitely after getting this entry and the market is playing according to how it's you planned it to, you'll be looking to secure some profit definitely at this level here, this high level here, which is the 44213. This is the highest level it went to. Now the markets always have a chance, especially the Bitcoin market, which is very volatile, so it can decide to break it or make a pullback from there. So once we get to this level on the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is 0.00% level, you'll be looking to secure some profit. Or once we break above it, you'll be looking to move your stop loss at least below it a little bit, so that if the market doesn't have that power to continue upwards, you are out and you made something out of that trade. There's a high chance that once the market make a new breakout, that strong breakout, there's a chance for it to start exhausting at a point and start pulling back. So this minus 27% level is a huge level which one should be watching out for. Now if the market is still having more momentum, we'll be looking at the minus 61.80% level. So this is the final level that if on whatever time frame you are using to trade it, should the market trend to your direction to this point, you will be looking to totally close out and waiting for another opportunity. Right now, there are times where the market will only come to this point and start going to the other side. There are times it will come to this level and reverse totally. So you should be careful whenever you get to this point. You should know what to do at that area so that you will be out early before the reversal happens, right? So this also works the same with an uptrend. If you are in a downtrend, if you are in a downtrend like this one here, okay, this is a downtrend now. You can see this market here was in a downtrend, and if you are patient enough and you just wait for them for the trend to get exhausted and start making pullbacks, you'll be seeing so many opportunities to scale into the market. Now this market started this move here. We're going to plug it down to the last level here. All right, guys, so you can see clearly we had this move, this little retracement, and a push downwards. So you'll be looking to see this market make a retracement at least back to this Fibonacci levels here. Here we have the market rejecting at the 38.20% retracement, which normally signify a very strong downtrend, right? A very strong trend, either upwards or downwards if the market is rejecting at 38.20% retracement level, it shows that the trend is strong. Right now, you can see clearly that the market rejected all the way there, broke out of this zone, and made some pullback, came to this point, and here came to that point, and looking at this, I think it went even to the final levels there. You can see it here. So at this point, one should be looking to get out of the market totally. Now wait for other opportunities. Definitely opportunities will always present. So I'm going to be sharing with you my Fibonacci numbers which I'm using, so you can easily copy that. You can pause the video and copy it. These are my settings for the Fibonacci tools. So I'm going to come here, start. So I'll push it to this point. So I'm going to scroll down gradually so that you see my numbers and the ones I have active and the ones I have inactive. Right now, scroll down gradually. You can pause it and get it the same way. So that are the main levels I look at exiting the market if I'm right in the trade. Now I'm looking at this level just for a quick recap: 0.0% level, the minus 27% level, and the minus 61.80% level, which is the level I'm looking to finally leave the market totally. This works on all time frames depending on what time frame you are using, and this works best on using the pullback trading strategy for myself. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Catch you on the next one. Stay blessed and bye for now.